Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to get fix the problem of posting more than 20 images or photos on your Instagram account. You see there are many users on Instagram who can't post more than 20 images or photos on their Instagram account, but there are few people on Instagram who can post more than 10 posts on their Instagram account. So here in this video I will tell you all the scenario on Instagram with regard to posting images on their Instagram post. So here go firstly on the Instagram app. So this is the interface of Instagram. So here click on the plus icon. As I click on the plus icon, this is the new interface. So here click on this option. As I click on this option, now I can select as many images as I want. So I am selecting one by one the images. As you see, this Instagram account is also has the limit of posting only 10 posts or images on my Instagram account. So I have also not the facility to post more than 10 Instagram post. So here in this video I will tell you how to get this problem be fixed. So here first go on the Play Store of your mobile phone or App Store if you have iPhone. So on the Play Store, go on the search bar and type Instagram update. So as I type the Instagram update, the update option will be available very close to the Instagram monogram. So here there is no update available to me because I have recently created my Instagram new account. So as the update will be opened, you can post more than 10 photos on your Instagram account. So the second option would be available to you if your account will become older by the passage of time. As your account gets older, you will be able to post 10 pictures or photos on your Instagram account. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.